Good evening and welcome to the Daily Market Update. The DSEX ended in the green zone today, gaining 39.09 points or 0.79%, and settled at 4,993 points. Market turnover was 4.66 billion Bangladeshi takas, which is an increase of 2.42% compared to the previous trading day. Citibank, BRAC Bank, and Islami Bank from the banking sector, Beximco Pharmaceuticals from the pharmaceutical sector, and Olympic from the food and allied sector mainly pulled the market up today. In terms of sector-wise return, the banking sector posted the highest gain of 1.84%, while the tannery sector registered the second highest gain of 1.09%. On the other hand, the IT sector posted the highest loss of 0.39% today. 6 textile, 4 banks, and 4 food and allied companies were among the top 20 gainers today. Deobamla Sugar Mills, Shiampur Sugar Mills, and Family Techs, BD, registered the highest gain, while International Leasing and Financial Services, Far East Finance and Investment, and FAS Finance and Investment were the top losers today. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for these stocks. The trading volume of Takaful Islami Insurance, Dutch Bangla Bank, and Talu Spinning Mills increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There is no publicly disclosed material reason for the volume increase of these stocks. Today's top 2 news yields on 2-year Treasury bonds declined on Tuesday, reflecting easing pressure in the money market as Bangladesh Bank continued its intervention in the foreign exchange market by purchasing $223.50 million United States dollars from 14 commercial banks to steady the taka against the US dollar. The cutoff yield fell to 10.51% from 10.72% previously. Since July 13th, the central bank has directly bought $3.55 billion United States dollars from banks under the free-floating exchange rate regime, moves that signal growing dollar liquidity and a measured return of stability to the financial system. The elevated policy interest rate is expected to remain unchanged in the upcoming monetary policy statement for the second half of the fiscal year, as inflation has begun to edge up again after a brief easing. Despite persistent calls from businesses for rate cuts amid a sluggish economy, Bangladesh Bank is maintaining its contractionary stance, keeping the policy or repo rate at 10% since October 2024 to rein in inflationary pressures. Governor Dr. Ahsan H. Mansur has repeatedly made it clear that the central bank will not ease its tight monetary posture until inflation falls to around 7%, signaling that price stability for now continues to take precedence over growth concerns. That's all for today. Thank you.